Hello, and in this video we'll be showing the prototype website of our project Wastopia. So this is our sign-in page. You have to enter your credential as a citizen to enter the website. And so we can see this is the citizen dashboard. Here you can see the exact amount of incentives you are getting for each type and amount of waste. Once the waste is deposited into our smart bin, it will automatically be detected by our sensors and will be shown in the dashboard. We can see the status of the waste if it is yet collected or not. Now into the collector dashboard, it is for the waste collectors. Once they completed their collection, the status will be automatically changed. And it will be shared across every dashboard so we can see. Each type of waste has different amount of incentives and every transaction will be recorded into the database. Now onto the super admin dashboard. This is where the admin can see all the transactions happening across the Wastopia. So this is the prototype of our website and there are much more yet to come.